Hey there. Let's talk about bird anatomy and how in the heck we're going to get in there and start to create some. Now, I'm not going to create every bone, but I am going to get in there and do what I can to get some really cool but simplified forms intact. You need to start with the skeleton, though. This is one of the most important things, okay? We just need to start with the skeleton. And so let's bring in some reference, because you don't want to do this from scratch. So I got a bunch of reference in here, and one of the things that I'm going to use is this image off the web. Now, I actually have this model sitting right next to me as well, so I'm going to just tell you straight up front. I'm cheating, because I got the model next to me. But I'll make sure you've got this image. And so what we want to do now is put that in as an image plane. So let me take the draw palette over here, and you might be noticing what I'm noticing, which is this whole little thing down here, which has this whole little thing down here. Okay, pretty cool. So this is what we want to take a look at right now. So we have what is effectively a side view. So that would be a left and right view. Okay, and the way you do this is you click, say, map 1, and then you select that view. Okay, let's see, make sure, yeah, that's my symmetry, so there we go. You got a few controls. You can scale it. You can rotate it by adjusting the angle. Yeah, so just one would work. You can vertically offset this, horizontally offset it, whatever the case may be. Whatever you want to do there, so let's just hit 1. Okay, and then that's going to be stored in there for you, ready to go. What about a front and a back view, right? We got a side view. What about a front and a back? So, front, back. Map 1. Do we have a front? Sort of. It's not exactly accurate, but we can put it in there anyways. Now, perspective is not on, okay, because that's going to really screw things up. But let's check how we're doing. And check this out. That's awesome. Do you see what's happening? Tell me you see what's happening. Tell me you see that little blue dot going all the way back and hitting on the image plane. And the red thing going all the way and hitting on that side image plane, so that, man, you are triangulating this from any view. God bless you, Pixelogic. How cool is that? That is just awesome. Just amazing that you can do that, and that they thought that through. You know, so I'm not able to kind of pinpoint it from here, but I have enough room to say, well, I'm not going to list the head because the heads are in different positions. But let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 squares down, we get things that changed a little bit. So I'm going to just follow that through. Okay. Maybe right there. Yeah, I like that. Let's get that keel and the wishbone. Yeah. Those guys, you know, it's pretty close. I'm not going to depend on it, but it's pretty close. And I'm going to use the front view for volume, the side view for positioning. So once you've got that set up, then you can save the project. So I'm going to go File, Save As. And this will save it with the image planes and everything intact, so the next time you start it, you'll be good to go. Alright, so in the next little video we're going to take a look at how we start to figure out the skeletal structure here, and I'll start to delineate and define some more of it using the model I got next to me, because it's not as simple as it might look.